In this video, we will guide you on how to secure your items for your common carrier return. Please note that the items must be unused, in the original packaging, and secured to a pallet. Print out 3 copies of the attached bill of lading. Hand one to the driver, attach one to the pallet, and keep the last copy for your records. If a pickup needs to be scheduled for your return, please schedule one over the phone with the shipping company and follow the instructions provided in our email. To securely package your common carrier return, please ensure that you are using 70-gauge stretch wrap, also known as shrink wrap, and one that sticks to itself. You can use the wooden pallet the item was delivered on as long as it was not damaged. Begin by tucking the end of the stretch wrap underneath the items or tie it in a knot around the end of the pallet. Holding the stretch wrap parallel to the items, start wrapping the items with the stretch wrap as you walk forward, unwinding the stretch wrap. Wrap 2 times around the bottom half of the pallet, partially overlapping the pallet to secure the items to the pallet. Start moving up, overlapping 3 to 4 inches between each layer. Tug the stretch wrap tightly, especially around corners. Continue wrapping until you've reached the top of the items and cover the top with a few inches of the stretch wrap. For additional security, cross back down with a stretch wrap to cover the bottom half of the items again, ensuring that you overlap the pallet with the stretch wrap. Once you have covered the items with a stretch wrap, cut the wrap and pat the end down to secure it to the items. Once these steps are completed, your shipment is ready to be picked up.